As we have completed Unit 1 of English, I have prepared a worksheet for the reinforcement of vocabulary section. Hope you are able to do it independently without any support, as all the concepts are clear to you. So listen the instructions carefully and complete the given task. I have shared PDF of this worksheet so you can take its print if printer is available. Otherwise, copy it in your register and complete it. Let's read. Question 1. Match the countries with their nationalities and write their answer in column C. In column A, you can see names of different countries: China, America, Canada, Italy, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Japan, Taiwan. In column B, nationalities are given: Japanese, Cambodian, Thai, Chinese, Vietnamese, Taiwanian, Italian, Canadian, American. Column C is blank. You will write answer over here. China. The nationality of China is given in column B in fourth row, Chinese. So you will write in the first row of column C, Chinese. Next is America. Its nationality is given in the last row of column B. You will write in column C, second row, American. Complete the remaining table yourself. Question 2. Complete the sentences using correct information. Robert lives in Korea. He is a Korean. Number 2. People of Singapore are called Singaporean. James belongs to dash. He is Indonesian. James belongs to Indonesia. So he is Indonesian. Joseph is Malaysian. He is from Malaysia. Question 3. Join the halves to write the nationalities of different countries. Nationalities are broken into two parts. All the parts are jumbled. First part is given in first row and the second part is given in second row. So you will find the second part, complete the word and write on the spaces given below. First word is Philly. Its second part is Pino, Filipino. So in the space number 1 you will write Filipino. Next is Ital. Its second half is Ian, Italian. So on the second space you will write Italian. Next is Singa. First half is Singa. Its second half is Porian, Singaporean. So write on the third space Singaporean. Complete the rest. Question 4. In this topic, we have also read about use of capital letters. I told you that all the languages, nationalities and names of countries are written in capital letter. So you will write languages, nationalities and countries given in these sentences capital. You will also add full stop to these sentences. And you will also make the first letter of each sentence capital. Sentence number 1. My sister lives in Canada. C of Canada is already capital. So you will add its full stop to it and you will make M of my capital. Sentence number 2. English is an international language. So you will make E of English capital, is an international language, full stop. I love Pakistan, I capital, P capital and full stop. Number 4. Chinese are very hardworking people. C of Chinese will be capital and you will also add full stop at the end of sentence. Number 5. My mother is an Italian. So first letter of every sentence, first letter of each sentence is capital. You will make M capital, and I of Italian capital. You will also add full stop.